Uh, Hello, guys. As you know that we are suffering from the great pandemic of the human history, and so we most of the time our classes being organized on the online platforms, and somehow most of the things we have done till now on our Google Classroom. So continuing on that, we had planned an assessment because most of the things has had not gone through the uh, plan as we have do when we were starting this particular subject. So uh, we had planned actually, or we can say that the university has had planned two assessments to be conducted, one on the day 29, and I think the next will be scheduled on the 6th of May. So uh, today, as you people know that we have covered three lectures from we have covered three units in our offline classes, and I have covered two units on our Google Classroom by giving you topics in the form of the soft notes and some videos from YouTube and one or two and many more videos I'm providing you by just making the PPT voiceover. So I also find it's a difficult time because we are moving to the new platform and there are a lot of hesitations, and the new things are being adopted with the system. So the things are not as usual. So coming to this, we have planned that before going to the assessment, we will be providing you some uh, help in the form of the revisions of the units. So as you know that I have already told you that we will be uh, doing assessment for the unit 2 and 3. So in this particular lecture series, video lecture series, I am covering uh, one topic, and I will be covering actually three different topics and some topics of units in our three video lectures. So I will request you to go through it, and actually this will be the small part for the second and third unit, but uh, this is the basically the important topics that mm, that I understand are important for you all. So if you are having any other problems in revision, and if you are having any other problem in any topic, you can comment on Google Classroom itself, or you can ask me on WhatsApp, and you are having my mobile numbers. And even if you try, if you want that, if you want to contact me or to arrange a meeting, we can do it on our Zoom meeting app also. So I'm just going through the topic, and I have also given you all the instructions to follow. So today I think it is 29th April. So uh, the whole day is dedicated for the revision for the cloud computing. So if you are having any doubt or any query, then without any hesitation you can contact me. Okay. So coming to our topic. So today we will be discussing that what is Windows Azure. So we all are aware that in cloud computing, the many companies which are having their names in IT industry till now are giving us platform in the form of the cloud. So Azure is also the cloud venture provided by one of the IT giant, that is the Microsoft. So we will discuss that what are the different cloud facilities the Windows Azure, we can say the Windows Azure or the Microsoft Azure is providing to us. So what is Azure basically? Azure, as we know, I'm just taking a laser pointer to show. Uh, Basically, we know that cloud is only possible if we are having internet. So without internet, the resources cannot be shared among the users. So internet is the backbone and one of the major constraints in the development of the cloud. So what is basically Azure? Azure is a cloud computing platform and an online portal to access and manage resources and services provided by the Microsoft. So suppose that Microsoft having some data centers. In data centers, Microsoft is having a lot of storage, and there are the multiple virtual machines running on these servers. So these are the resources, and these resources are somehow being managed with a portal, and that portal is called as the Microsoft Azure portal. So Microsoft Azure portal is basically managing all the resources which are available to the Microsoft cloud, and on this portal can be accessed with the public backbone, that is the internet. So any user which is having internet connection can reach to this portal, and with the help of this portal he can use the services this provided by this IT giant, that is the Microsoft. So Microsoft is having a pool of resources in the form of the virtual machines, in the form of the storage, and I think they are also providing compute services. They are providing the storage services. They are providing platform services. So all the services can be accessed with the help of the Microsoft Azure portal. So now coming to what is Azure, we can again we have already talked about it, but going through the glimpses of the development, we can see that Azure was launched on 1st February 2010, and uh, they have started pay-per-use model, free to start. They just give you to log into their portal by giving them some your credit card information and and your personal data, and if you are if you are willing to give it to them, then definitely you can access. And they are also having models to pay per use. So you have to pay like the metered connection. Whatever services you want, you have to pay the price for that. So again, if we just launched in February 2010, we can see that 80% of the Fortune 500 companies using Azure services right now. So we can see that how drastic development they have done, and how much the companies which are Fortune 500 means uh, they definitely their core management will be very keen to switch to the clouds, because somehow they understand how the cloud is important for the development and progress of their companies. So we can see that 80% of the Fortune 500 companies are shifting their business to the Windows Azure clouds. And we can see that there are the support for the multiple programming languages such as C Sharp, Node.js, Java, etc. on the Microsoft Azure Development Cloud Platform. So we can again see that the accessibility and the location, geographical distribution of the data center location are available at the 42 regions around the world. Now, coming to the services, what the Azure is providing, we can see that Azure is providing compute services, networking services, storage services, Internet of Things services, migration services, mobile services, analytics, containers, AI plus machine learning services, integration, management tools, developer tools. They are providing security services, they are providing databases supports, they are providing development operations, they are providing media content, they are providing they are they are providing services for the identity management, for the they are providing services for the web development or the web platforms. So there we can see that each and every sector of the IT industry is being touched, and all the evolutionary sciences such as the AI and machine learning and Internet of Things and other things which can be one of the major thing we can see that analytics, it is also one of the growing field in the revolution of the computer. So we can see that the future of the cloud is very bright, and we can see that how much the cloud is touching all the possibilities of the evolution of the computers in our future. So this is basically the cloud is the mind-boggling drastic shift of the traditional businesses all over the world to the cloud platform. So it is somehow very crucial for the development of the computer science field, and this is somehow uh, giving us more opportunities for our future, and uh, uh, it is somehow very good for us too, because um, we can see that the branch we are belonging to is just absorbing everything into it. So now we can see we will be going through some of the major companies we have talked about in a previous slide, that it was 80% of the Fortune 500 that is using the services from the Microsoft client, but in this particular slide we can see that our data is just reached 90% after a few days. Just clipping this particular image from internet, that we are moving from 80% to 90%, and we can see the great companies such as General Electric, BMW, Walmart, Toyota, Honeywell, and Samsung, and we can I'm not aware of all these companies, but they are well known in their fields, and Rolls Royce is one of the great company. You can see Harper Collins and Alaska's Rockwell Automation, Mazda. You should go through all these companies, how they are just using the services provided by the Microsoft Azure Cloud, and I think it will be somehow uh, lead you to better understanding of the cloud platform, and somehow it will help you also for the quiz we are going today. So thank you very much, class. Uh, uh, Stay at home, stay safe, and be be vibrant. And if you are having any doubt, if you are having any question, just don't hesitate to contact me. And all the best wishes for the quiz. Thank you.